not working. Look at everyone. And it's so many people, they are using these magazines. AC is not working at all. And as usual, your TV screens are also not working. Neither this button for calling the cabin crew. Nothing is working. Nothing. Not even the light is working. See, this is what you are providing. And as usual, that is why Air India is considered as one of the worst airlines in the world. AC is still not working, and today it is very, very, very hot in Delhi. See, there for the last 15 minutes, nothing happening. Remote isn't working. Nothing is working. I don't know why I booked.